The Saskatchewan Youth Internship Program is a 6-week paid internship for students in grade 10 to grade 12 to try out the skilled trades.
Students apply for the SYIP program to give them a glimpse into what the trades are and if it's something they might be interested in doing after high school without committing to paying up front for tuition for something that they may not want to do for the rest of their lives.
The SYIP program has helped me gain experience in the field. It's also something I can put on my resume and say, hey, I done this.
It's a great way to connect with young people that are interested in trades and that want to get involved. And it also gets them an opportunity to see different trades that they may be interested in.
My experience in the program was great. I saw it as a great way to get hands-on training on the job site and just kind of go through the day-to-day stuff that a person in that field would normally do in a safe environment. So the job coaches were always there to lend a hand whenever I needed support or just had questions or things like that.
We've got some great employees over the year, and it's just been a really good way to bring awareness to the trades overall.
We have to get more kids excited to get into the skilled trades, and the SYIP group is such a good group at helping bridge that gap. These programs give those students an opportunity to understand what the skilled trades actually are. I think it's been extremely beneficial for the students. I know it's been extremely beneficial as a contractor.
I often get calls as a career guidance counselor if I have any students in this type of trade. And the SYIP program gives them a chance to get to know a student to see if they might be a suitable employee for them, but it's over a short period of time.
It's just a great opportunity to meet some young people and get them interested, and there's a high likelihood you'll find a good employee down the road.
It's not just a summer investment, but it's a possible life investment. If you invest in that kid and you treat them well and they want to stay for your company, that can change your business. It can be a lifelong job for that person.
One of our success stories through the program is that we met Sean.
First summer I tried welding, which was great. The second summer I tried electrical, which ultimately led me to the field that I'm still in today.
He did so well that we hired him afterwards, and he's progressed through the company from a first year up to project manager estimator now.
It was great because not only did it give me the chance to experience, work in the field that I'm still in to this day, but it gave me the chance to kind of narrow down my career choice. And I decided that, maybe welding's not for me. Let's move on and try something else in a risk-free environment. Like, I had the chance to experience more than one different thing, and it, ultimately led me to my career choice.
Where else are you going to be able to try something for 6 weeks in the summer, get paid for it, and figure out if you like it or not? And if you like it, that's fantastic. It gives you an opportunity to keep going. And if you don't like it, that's okay also.
I've had lots of students who found things that they're passionate about that they didn't even know existed. I've also had other students who, after their 6 to 8 weeks, have been like, nope, that trade's not for me, but I'm glad I did it because I learned a lot about myself. I got paid over the summer, I earned some high school credits, and now I think I want to go this way towards my career path.
Just do it. Participate in it. Take the opportunity to take one of these students for a summer. It's worth it. You will not regret it.